Every moment in nature contains enormous energy. People never stop exploring the path of new energy. YURB Solar, as a Chinese manufacturer of photovoltaic support structures and an integrator of photovoltaic power generation systems, is dedicated to promoting the development of green and low-carbon energy with the philosophy of building green energy, creating a better future together. We continuously explore the mysteries of light, connecting the beauty of nature with life. YURB Group was established in 2004 and is located in the international garden city Xiamen. In 2018, YURB ventured into the field of photovoltaic new energy, participating in a new round of technological revolution and industrial transformation in response to the low-carbon wave, following the path of light, hampered by wind and rain. YURB has grown and developed through challenges. It has now become an international enterprise, integrating R&D, production, and sales of photovoltaic brackets, various metal frames, and EPC food industry chain, serving the global clean energy construction. Since its establishment, YURB has always adhered to the path of independent innovation, design, and R&D. It now possesses more than 50 patents for inventions and utility models, with over 100 R&D technical specialists, and has been recognized by local governments as high-tech enterprise. It has obtained international standard certifications such as ISO 9001, UL, TUV, CE, BSCI, SEDEX, and SMETA. YURB has invested in and built 3 fully automated industrial bases with more than 2,000 employees and an industrial park area of 300,000 square meters. We possess aluminum profile production line, stainless steel and carbon steel production line, ZN, AL, MG production line, power coating production line, casting production line, chrome plating line, round screw production line. YURB has introduced an advanced management model, providing customers with integrated services for photovoltaic brackets, components, and complete power generation systems, including pre-survey, design, procurement, installation guidance, and maintenance. The clients of YURB Solar spread all over the world, so we set up branches and offices in many countries and regions like USA, Canada, Australia, Japan, Malaysia, Hong Kong, China, and so on. Embracing the warm sunshine, reaching out to technology, YURB Solar is constantly pursuing and exploring more efficient and convenient solutions of solar support and system, roof mounting system, ground mounting system, agricultural photovoltaic system, flexible solar PV mounting system, solar tracking system, BIPV system. YURB Solar can meet the needs of different clients on rooftops, in mountains, in deserts, keeping pace with the times. YURB Solar will paint a spectacular picture of zero-carbon age through solar support. For 20 years, YURB Solar continued developing our own innovative products, keeping pace with zero-carbon age. From cities to countries, we completed hundreds of projects around the world. 40,000 kilowatts rooftop mounting system in the Philippines, 46,000 kilowatts rooftop mounting system in Brazil, 50,000 kilowatts agricultural mounting system in Fukuoka, Japan, 700 megawatt distributed system in Xiaogan County, 780 megawatts centralized system in Hami County, Xinjiang Province, 900 megawatts centralized system, Guangdong Province, 1,200 megawatts centralized system in Hunan Province. Nowadays, Nowadays, YURB Solar has become a common choice for multitudinous clients around the world. Sunshine through the hills illuminates the plateau. With shining pieces of solar panels, racks, power stations, we deliver light and wind across the motherland. To light up the blue planet zero-carbon dream, follow the sunshine and make the world a better place because of us. Enjoy the advanced technology and make our life more beautifully.